feeling when you really want to get up and get something important done, but you just can't seem to summon the motivation? You sit there thinking about everything you should be doing, but you're just not feeling it. Maybe you feel burned out, maybe overwhelmed, or you just feel kind of stuck. I think we've all been there. I'm going to share with you a simple little trick that has helped me get my motivation back, especially in those moments when I need it the most. It's right there in the name. It's called Motivate Essential Oil. Let me tell you a little bit about this blend because it's designed to support your body and your mind in really powerful ways. Motivate is made with peppermint, clementine, coriander, basil, yuzu, melissa, rosemary, and vanilla bean absolute. Many of these oils are known to support focus, mental clarity, and energy, and even help with mental fatigue and exhaustion. So when you're feeling foggy, overwhelmed, or lacking confidence or courage, this blend was literally created just for that. You know those days where your brain just feels tired? Like you care, but you just don't have it in you. That's often mental fatigue. And instead of pushing harder, sometimes your body just needs a little support. I had one of my favorite experiences with this oil at a ballroom competition with my son. We were traveling and it was day 2 of the competition. You know how that goes, those long days, lots of events, everyone running on low energy. I went to find him in the warm-up gym before his next event. And instead of warming up, he was standing in a circle with his friends. They all had their heads down. And as I got closer, I could hear them talking about how tired they were. They were worn out. They just didn't have the energy that they wanted to summon for their next event. And I thought, oh, these kids, they need a little boost. And so I ran back to my bag and I grabbed my Motivate Touch. I came back to their little circle and I went to my son and I said, hey, would you like me to put some oils on the back of your neck? And he was like, yes, please. He's used to oils. He's used to me. And so I applied it on the back of his neck. And as I was rubbing it on his neck, I started getting a few looks from his friends. They asked, what is that for? And I said, it's Motivate. And I showed them the label. It helps you wake up and focus. Well, pretty soon we were putting it on everyone in that little friend circle. They loved the smell. And within seconds, you could see a shift. They were smiling again. They started to have some fun and you could see life come back into them. It was really fun. And what was really cool about that is the results were actually tangible. Every single one of those kids performed great. And they all made it to the final. That means they made it to the top 6 in their event. It was one of those moments where I was grateful to have the right tool at exactly the right time. So here are a few simple ways that you can use Motivate. You can diffuse it in your workspace. This is perfect if you're working, studying, or need help staying on task. You can apply it topically. I love putting it on the back of my neck, as you've heard. Just warm it up with your fingers to help absorb it quickly. You can also apply it on your forehead or over your heart. If I'm not diffusing it, I like to use Motivate Touch. This version is already diluted with coconut oil and it's in a roller bottle, so it's super easy and convenient for everyday topical use. Here's what I've learned. Sometimes motivation doesn't just show up on its own. Sometimes you create it. And giving your body the right support can make all the difference in getting you moving again. If stress, overwhelm, or burnout is something that you're dealing with, I also have a free guide for you. It's 5 effective ways to calm your mind and nerves. It's simple, practical, and something you can start using right away. And I'll put that link below in the description for you so you can grab it. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little extra motivation today. You've got this. Sometimes you just need a little extra support.